This gorgeous home, nestled on 5 peaceful rolling acres, will become your own piece of rural paradise. Entering the home, you'll immediately notice the plethora of updates that give this country home a modern touch. The living room is cozy with a gorgeous fireplace with a stone facade. This space is ready for you to sink into the couch and relax, surrounded by warmth and comfort. Moving into the kitchen, a butcher block countertop, floating shelves, and stainless steel appliances equip this space, making it perfectly ready for the chef in your life to enjoy. The spacious dining room boasts beautiful wood detailing on the ceiling, as well as a window seat where you can enjoy a good book or a cat nap while basking in the sunshine. Each of the 3 bedrooms are generous in size and ready for you to make your own. Outside, the massive yard filled with mature trees is complete with a new above-ground pool and a 26 by 21 outbuilding. Don't wait, come and see all of the amazing updates that this home has to offer. Call Kimberly Slusher to learn more.